What do you get when you combine world-class facilities, breathtaking architecture, and homes that are in close proximity to the best locations in Lekki? You get the Vida. Offering up 96 units of ultra-stylish, semi-detached and terrace houses, the Vida is another phenomenal development in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. The Vida was brought to you by Prestigious Homes, the highly renowned developers that brought you the Casa Birama, the Casa Branca, and several billionaire developments across the city of Lagos. Embrace an unmatchable feeling of peace with 24/7 mobile security. Cool off on the hottest days with a central swimming pool. Give your kids a place to socialize with a modern playground and experience world-class amenities such as lawn tennis, a gym, and even a waste treatment system that gives you a clean environment all days of the week, all through the year. Vida stands to be another example of refined living from a company with a track record of delivering homes with innovative design and family-friendly environments. Out of the proposed 96 units, we have 56 amazing units of 4-bedroom terrace houses going for 120 million naira, as well as 40 units of 4-bedroom semi-detached houses going for 150 million naira. But don't fret if you think you can't make the total payment right now. This is an off-plan property from the amazing Prestigious Homes, and they are giving you the ability to make a 25% initial payment and spread the rest of the amount for the next 18 months. And as you can see behind me, everything has been sold out by people who understood the value of what Vida is offering to the people of Lagos. But don't be worried if you feel like you've missed out on an opportunity to own a home here in the Vida. The Vida is still offering up dozens of units available for sale for anyone looking to buy, start a family, or invest in what is going to be one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in the heart of Lekki Phase 1. If you're looking to own one, my name is Felicia from Albert & Wand. Give us a call today, the number on the screen, and you can own a home here in the Vida. Take care.